tonight, criminal charges could be in the works against Governor Gretchen Whitmer. Good evening. Thank you for joining us here at 6. I'm Dave Llewellyn.
And I'm Carolyn Clifford. It is all over putting COVID patients inside nursing homes that were turned into receiving hubs early in the pandemic.
The new Macomb County Prosecutor, Pete Lucido, says possible charges include willful neglect of duty or reckless endangerment. And he wants people who lost loved ones to COVID inside nursing homes to come forward to help build the case.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kirshner joins us live right now from Macomb County with more on this controversial story here. Jim, fill us in.
Carolyn and Dave, this is similar to the criminal investigation going on in New York State right now against Governor Andrew Cuomo. Lucido can do this investigation here himself as county prosecutor. He started this last year as a state senator. He's a Republican, but he says this is not about politics, it's about accountability.
If we find that there has been willful neglect of office, if we find that there's been reckless endangerment of a person's life by bringing him in, then we would move forward with charges against the governor. Of course we would. Nobody's above the law in this state.
Anyone who's had loved ones inside nursing homes during the last year knows about the pain of COVID deaths and isolation with no in-person visits. Last August, then State Senator Lucido issued this statement that said more than 2,000 residents had died, along with 21 staff, 32% of all COVID deaths. After becoming prosecutor at the first of this year, Lucido asked all fellow prosecutors to help by forming a blue ribbon panel for consistency. They declined, saying this would be up to the state attorney general or the feds. Lucido provided us his requests last year to both of those offices to investigate. U.S. Attorney responded last May they would review his request. The status now not known. Attorney General Nessel's office responded, "We do not believe your concerns with the governor's executive orders provide a proper basis to open a criminal investigation."
I didn't receive a very warm welcome. This is not political, everyone. This is about people who passed away at the behest of a policy that was created by our governor.
Lucido says anyone in Macomb County who lost a friend or family member to COVID as a nursing home resident or staffer needs to go back to the facility to get the vital facts that he can use to build a criminal case. What were the circumstances of their death? He says HIPAA laws prevent his office from getting that to build his criminal case.
Why did my mom or why did my dad, why did my brother, sister, uncle, aunt die? Was it because of the policy by bringing in COVID-infected patients that spread to my mom that killed my mother?
Now, Lucido wants people in this county to gather that information, then take it to their local police department as sort of a wrongful death case, and then he will follow up with the police. We got a lengthy statement from the governor's office this afternoon that says, in part, the governor has been praised for saving lives with these regional hubs. That praise coming from AARP and in a U of M study. Statement also goes on to say Lucido's comments are shameful political attacks based in neither fact nor reality. We put the entire statement on our website, WXYZ.com. Carolyn and Dave, back to you. More to come on this one.
You bet, Jim. Thank you for the live report. We'll keep watching.
Yes, we will.